Shalom. I'm going to be making a Sabbath salmon bowl. And trust me when I say this, you want to stay until the end because I'm going to be giving you a quick tip to make sure that this dish is delicious on Sabbath because you're going to be preparing it before Sabbath and you don't want it to be hard. So let's get into the video. What you're going to do is start off by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. From there, you're going to take your Alaskan salmon, make sure that you thoroughly wash it, and then put it on a cooking sheet. You're going to sprinkle a little bit of oil and hit it with that slap your mama, garlic and herb Mrs. Dash, some garlic powder, and now some onion powder as well too, and some lemon pepper. And don't forget your parsley. And if you guys haven't already, like, shared, and also subscribed, trust me, I'm going to be putting out a lot more videos now since I got my new phone. That's what was the holdup. But I'm here now. And make sure that you guys also pat down those seasonings right into your salmon to make sure that the seasoning adheres to the fish. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put this in the oven and cook it for 25 minutes. If you want it a little bit extra crispy, cook it for an additional 5. Now, back to the video. I have some cooked rice here. And what you're going to do is add some rice vinegar, just a tad bit. Okay, it's going to flavor your rice, not too much, because it's just like soy sauce. It's gonna make your rice taste a little more better. Just give it a quick mix, okay? And this is hot rice right now. This is just freshly cooked. And what you see right there on the screen is rice seasoning. You could pick that up at Walmart or you can omit this. It doesn't matter. Whatever you like, it's your salmon bowl, okay? But I'm gonna guarantee you that you're gonna want that because it tastes delicious. Now that that's done, what we're gonna do is now skip to assembling the Sabbath bowl, all right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna lay down your rice, okay? And the reasons why you wanna lay your rice down, this is that quick tip I'm talking about as well. You want to lay your rice down is because the rice typically, once it gets cold, it gets hardened and you don't want that. So we're going to layer everything on top of it and then mix this salmon bowl up so it tastes just delicious as you first made it. All right. So with that, back into this video. You're going to add your salmon right on top of your rice. We're going to continue to layer this with just some delicious flavors. I like to add the French fried onion. No, it's not going to be soggy. Yes, it's still going to be crispy and good. Trust me when I say this. I wouldn't give you anything that I haven't tried already myself. So, with that, we're gonna add some spicy garlic chili crisp. Now, you can omit that if you're giving it to the kids. You know, this is for the adults and people like spicy stuff. I do. Just add a little bit. And then you're only gonna add a cap and a half of soy sauce. Now, if you don't like it really salty, just add a half a cap or to your liking. And then what you're going to use is also some SUSHI sauce. Now, you can use this sauce. If you don't want to use this sauce, you can always substitute it with hoisin sauce, okay? And then you're going to use some QP mayo. Now, if you don't want mayo, you don't like mayo, it's absolutely okay. You can omit that as well too. But this is the way I like mine. And then we're going to add some green onions to this and some avocados right on top. And then from there, guess what? That's it. Besides that last step, just making sure that you guys mix it, which I'm going to be showing you in a couple of more seconds. But with that, make sure that you guys like, share, and also subscribe. Stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit. And with that, I will see you guys next time. Shalom. And there goes your version of it being mixed. And now I end it. Shalom.